Good morning, people. Today we out here in Irwinville. Gonna head back into the bean field. Come in for a regular fly day and play with some RC planes. I say play, ain't really play. The goal is to try not to break it. So we'll see how today goes. We're coming on out here. Have a good day. I'll try and video a little bit here and there and add to this. See you in a little bit.
As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Skies are clear, no rain in sight. Should be a decent flying day. Get on up here to the field, check things out. Look at that poor windsock. It's a windy. It's gonna be a real windy day out here. We're gonna fly anyway. Should see some interesting stuff. That just means I need to apologize now for the wind noise in the mic. We're out here today at Baton Rouge RC Club, located out in West Baton Rouge, or Louisiana, as I like to call Irwinville, Louisiana. We have, I don't know, 80 or so, 80 plus members come out here. They come out here a lot, you know, Thursdays, Sundays, sometimes Saturdays, have events. We might try and announce some of the events on here ahead of time when they happen. But I get to come out here every once in a blue moon and fly around and see how things go. It's always fun to watch the shenanigans and watch them fly. This is Rick Bellows' plane firing up. Kind of watch how he handles in the wind. It don't really get fazed by the wind much. This plane runs on the same gas as a weed eater. Basically the same kind of motor. Kind of crazy. It flies fast. Again, sorry about the wind noise. Well, I take that back. This wind does make it difficult to hang a plane on a prop. They like doing that though. As you can see, the wind definitely makes landing a challenge. It got some of us flipped upside down, you know, blown around. Even one oopsie. We don't like the oopsies. I'll leave them out the video. Look, it's a real cello hopper flying across the air. And here's an RC cello hopper. He can fly any kind of way he wants to. Ever seen one of them Nerf footballs? When these get to really moving around, it's about all you see is the cab itself, that yellow spot, I guess. To me, it looks like one of them angry Nerf footballs going around the sky. It's really still fun to watch them maneuver these things, make it move around, do different tricks. They get right at cutting the grass with them blades. It's crazy. Guess it's time to get back to the airplanes. This one here is a homemade jet. Lasts about 30 seconds on the battery, as you fixing to see. Sorry about the wind. It flies. You can hear him in the background joking about he went to Dollar General and got cardboard and made the plane. view. That plane saying it's tired. It's done run out of battery. Pretty cool though. He landed. Dustin flying around one of his glow fuel planes. He's pretty good with it. Come across this one for I think he said $50 at a junk sale. It's never been flown. It does great. I started recording some of the shenanigans here in a minute. As you're gonna hear, everybody gets kind of excited, so I tried to bleep out the cuss words, but the bleep don't do too good. Check it out.
If it ain't your day, no. David's laughing. Alright, now it's Boo's turn. Go get him. Mona's gonna be like, David did what to my plane? It's all fun and games till you get hit in the mouth.
Suitcase packed in a rush. Wheels down, can't get enough. Clouds part clear as day. Leaving so far away. Flying out to somewhere new. Sky so wide, ocean blue. Feels so right, just me and you. Flying out, dreams come true. Window seat up in the sky. Above the world we touch the high. Take a nap and wait to see. New adventures await for me. Flying out to somewhere new. Sky so wide and ocean blue. Feels so right, just me and you. Flying out, dreams come true. Sunset paints the horizon gold. Stories waiting to be told. Wings of freedom, heart untied. In this moment we can glide.
Throw it around a good bit.
Flying out to somewhere new. Sky so wide and ocean blue. Feels so right, just me and you. Flying out, dreams come true. Flying out, dreams come true. Flying out, dreams come true.
Dustin at it again. Well, I don't know where you may live, but they got flying clubs like this all over the United States, probably all over the world. Look up in your local area if you're interested. You might be able to find one. Go check it out. Maybe get involved in. It's entertaining. It's hard. I ain't gonna say it's easy, but it is nice to do. Look around and check it out.
Alright, Justin, let's make it happen.
Well, it was getting close to the time I needed to get on out of here, load up lawn equipment, get ready to cut next week. I got a full-time job and part-time cut grass just to kind of help out, so we'll do a little outro and catch you on the next one.
All right, well, we had a good day out here, flying around. A few good videos. Decent weather, just windy as all get go. That always makes it hard, especially when you're messing with foam planes. But at least y'all got to see a little bit. One of the things to do, three main things I do, I guess, is camping, fishing, and playing with airplanes. Every once in a while, do some woodworking. But wanted to video some of that today. Come out here and check it out. Load it up. Headed home. Bye.